Customizing background layer settings in MaxiBlocks. Here's how to get started. Pick the container you want to work on. Look on the right side of your screen for the settings panel. Toggle open the background layers. By default, a container has a background color layer. You can choose a new color from the Style Cards color palette, or you can pick your own special shade. Once you've picked a color, you can make it more or less see-through. There's a slider for that, or you can just type in a number. Play around with this to see how it changes the look of your section. Want to get even more creative? You can add a special shape to your background color. In the Background Layers panel, there's an option called Use Clip Path. Click the switch next to it to turn it on, and then choose Polygon as the shape. You can also choose other shapes, but let's try a polygon for now. Now you can play around with the shape of your polygon. You can change how wide and tall it is, just like stretching Play-Doh. Use the sliders or type in numbers to change its size. As you play around, you'll see the shape change in real time on your screen. Keep adjusting it until it looks just right for your design. MaxiBlocks lets you add stunning background images to your website sections. Here's how to explore various options and achieve the perfect look. Adding an image. Click the Set Image button to open your media library and choose an image. Directly below the preview, you'll find Replace and Remove buttons. Click the Preview or Replace to change the image. Alternatively, enter an image URL directly. Image opacity. Adjust the slider or type a value to control how see-through the image is. We'll keep it at 100% for now. Image size and position. MaxiBlocks offers various options to control how your image fits within the section. Auto, this is the default value. It attempts to display the entire image without scaling, but if the image is larger than the container, it will be clipped. Cover. This stretches the image to fill the entire container while maintaining its original proportions. Contain. This shrinks the image proportionally to fit inside the container without stretching, potentially leaving empty space around the image. Custom. We recommend Cover to fill the container without distortion. Image Repeat. We'll keep it set to No Repeat to ensure the image displays only once. Image Position. Choose from left, right, center, top, and bottom. We'll use Center to keep the image centered within the section. MaxiBlocks also offers options for width and height adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune the image's placement and size within the section. Bring your website sections to life with captivating background videos using MaxiBlocks. Here's how to explore various options and achieve the perfect look. Adding a video. Locate the Set Video URL field and paste the link to your desired video. Start time. Define the point in the video where playback should begin. Use the slider or enter a specific time in seconds. End time. Specify the point where playback should stop. Use the slider or enter a specific time in seconds, ensuring it's after the start time. Loop. Enable looping if you want the video to continuously play from start to finish. Video opacity. Adjust the slider or type a value to control how transparent the video is. This allows you to create subtle effects like overlays. Fallback image. Provide a backup image that will display if the video fails to load. This ensures a smooth user experience regardless of potential technical issues. MaxiBlocks lets you add beautiful background gradients to your website sections, offering a visually appealing and versatile alternative to solid colors. Here's how to explore the options and create stunning effects. Locate the background gradient section. Adjust the gradient opacity slider or enter a value to control how transparent the gradient is. This allows you to create subtle effects or let underlying content peek through. Choosing the gradient type. Select the desired gradient type from the options, typically radial or linear. Radial creates a circular gradient that radiates outward from a specified point. The remaining settings are similar to those for background colors. Adjust the color stops to define the position and blend of each color within the gradient. Unlike solid colors, gradients add depth and visual interest to your sections. They can create a sense of movement, guide the user's eye and enhance the overall design aesthetic. Adding a shape. Choose your desired shape from the SVG icon library. Pick a color to fill your shape and bring it to life. Adjust the slider or type a value to control how transparent the shape is. Experiment with different levels to create subtle accents or bolder effects. Use the slider or enter a value to modify the shape size. Feel free to flip the shape horizontally or vertically to achieve a mirrored effect. Set the exact height and width of the shape using pixel (px) values for precise control. Positioning the shape. Choose from options like top or bottom to position the shape relative to the top or bottom of the container. Use the provided settings to adjust the shape's horizontal and vertical placement within the container, ensuring it's exactly where you want it. The power of layering. Subscribe for more MaxiBlocks tips and tricks.